La reine se méfie de son petit-fils, le prince Harry, après avoir divulgué des détails sur leur rencontre privée, selon une source. On Wednesday, en interview between the Duke of Sussex, 37, and the Today's Show en Coroda could be read in the S. The pair sat down for a chat about life after leaving the firm in the Netherlands, where Harry is attending the Invictus Game. Harry spoke candidly about a number of things including the sporting event which is finally taking place after being postponed twice due to the COVID-19 pandemic. The Duke also revealed details about a surprise face-to-face meeting he and his wife Meghan Markle, 40, had with the Queen prior to arriving in The Hague. Harry said he and his grandmother shared a special relationship and talk about things that she can't talk about with anybody else. He also described Her Majesty being in great form during the visit which marked the first time the Sussex have returned to the UK together since quitting Royal Duchy. He added, "She's always got a great sense of humor with me and I'm just making sure she's protected and got the right people around her." His statement were widely criticized as people questioned the meaning of Harry's words and from whom the monarch needed protection. And now, a royal source has claimed the Queen has been left very after the chat. The source told the Daily Mail, "Awareness has crept in recent times, just as it did with Princess Diana." While another source hit back at the suggestion Harry is the favorite of the Queen's 8 grandchildren. The source claims that Harry mythologized his relationship with her during the interview. The source said, "No longer content to claim a special status with his mother, he now seems to be mythologizing his relationship with his grandmother." Would she recognize this description? I very much doubt it. Elsewhere during the interview, Harry snubbed the monarch by revealing he doesn't know if he'll make it back to the UK for her Platinum Jubilee celebration. While nodding to his ongoing security issue as reason, Harry said he was trying to make it possible so that I can get my kids to meet her. Since moving to Meghan's home state of California, after quitting their role as senior royals, Harry and Meghan have not reunited in the UK with their children in tow. This means the Queen is unlikely to have seen the couple's eldest child Archie, now 2, since the family moved stateside. It also means the monarch has yet to have the chance to meet her namesake, the younger of Meghan and Harry's children Lilibet, who was born last June. The youngster's nickname derives from the Queen's nickname and it is understood that the pair have yet to meet face to face. During the interview, Harry also admitted that the UK no longer feels like his home and instead commented on how settled he and Meghan were in the US. He said, "Home for me now, for the time being, is in the United States, and it feels that way well." After stepping back from the firm, he and Meghan initially settled in Canada before purchasing a property in Montecito where they now reside. The Duke added that his family had been welcomed with open arms and that they were fortunate enough to have a great community around them in Santa Barbara. Asked pointedly by Oda Kotibi if you feel like that some more for you, Harry nodded and agreed with her statement.